Wow, he's really tame.
It's the only opening.
All right, y'all. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. And we are out here on 23rd, right before Christmas, and it's hot as heck. This is South Florida, obviously. We're gonna do some pond fishing for some peacock bass. I was gonna try live bait, but nothing's eating the bread. I'm gonna go with the Gold Minnow. Kind of match the hatch a little bit. Hopefully we can find some live bait later though. And stay tuned, y'all.
Alright, we got the GoPro. I'm gonna put on these things. Alright, y'all. I just missed a nice one up here. Got one. That was a largemouth. Just saw him eat it. That was so cool. Baby guy. Boop. Boop, boop. A little drop shot hook. Probably like a 12-incher. Not even. Got one. It's a largemouth again. Alright, it's a little bit bigger one. It's a little 12-incher again. A little bit bigger. That's a nice one. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. That's a peacock. Oh yeah. The iguana freaked out. Oh yeah. It's not a big one, but you know, everything counts. Oof. Fight's fun on the ultralight though, I'll tell you that much. Beautiful fish. You know, it's really weird. I haven't caught them much bigger than this here in South Florida, so hopefully this lake's got some big ones. Maybe I can get my PB today. Yeah, I don't think I've caught anything bigger than like 2 pounds when it comes to peacocks. Alright, this is my last spot, guys. Just a little clearing in these reeds. I think I might be able to cast him here. Go through this little opening. I have to get a little bit wet. It's the only opening in the whole lake. Oh my god. I think it drops off pretty fast. There's one. No way. Oh, it's a decent one too. It's just a largemouth. I'll get him out of here. Oh, that's a fat one. That's That's the fish of the day right there. Woo. Fat one. Not that big, but shot pretty good. A lot bigger than the other ones. Probably like a 2-pounder, 2.5. Chunk. I'll cast it out on that man. Fish on. I don't know what it is. Oh, that's a nice peacock. Yes. Hit it way out there, so I don't know if you guys can see it. That's a nice one. So this part of his gill got hooked, I think. Look at that. That is a nice pea. Like a 2-3 pounder. That's what I've been looking for today. I don't think that's my personal best, but I think it's close. Look at that. Annihilated that top water.
Alright, we got back to the ramp, and look at him. He's still just sitting in the boat. I was gonna leave him here, but since it's so cold right now during this month, I mean, I'm probably just gonna take him back with me if he doesn't freak out. But yeah, because I'm an hour more south from where I'm at right now, so it's probably warmer there. Does that sound good? Warmer is better? Well, let's see how this goes. Alright, y'all. Back to the crib. And brought the iguanas with me. Because they got a little pond here. Thought it'd be a good place to release them. But he's not moving. It's the same spot I put you, man. You're not even moving. See, he still lets me pick him up and everything. How's it going, little guy? That look of just disgust that came out of my face. Walk. Move. Their tails are so long, too. Well, so now I have this iguana across the street from my house at the neighborhood pond. There's no other iguanas. It is warmer here. It's about 2 or 3 degrees warmer today here than where I found him. So he's better off here. Hey, say bye to the camera. Alright, well, say bye to the viewers. Bye. Hope he makes it, guys.
If you guys are wondering what rod and reel I'm using, the Cast King Assassin 7-foot medium light. This is my favorite spinning combo I own right now. This thing is awesome. And I got it paired up with the Cast King Kodiak 2000 on here. bunch of 10-pound braid. This thing casts like a mile if you just saw that last fish. I mean, he hit it so far out you could barely see it, but that's where the big ones usually hit, kind of far away from you. Anyways, but yeah, he hit that Sarah spook, the one knocker white spook. I have this trailer hook on the end. Cool stuff on the description below. If you just look down below the video in the description, there'll be links, affiliate links, that you could buy the same gear that I got. Hopefully we can get a bigger peacock and take out the kayak here. So stay tuned for that.